Hi, in the last video we saw how to multiply a positive and a negative integer and result of the multiplication is a negative integer. In this video we will learn how to multiply a negative and a positive integer and result of this multiplication will be a negative integer. We have discussed that multiplication is a repeated addition. So what does that mean? For example, 4 plus 4 plus 4 is same as 3 multiplied by 4, right? And this is nothing but 12. This means that on a number line we are taking 3 jumps and each jump is having 4 units, right? This is the meaning of 3 multiplied by 4. Here first number is saying the number of jumps and second number is saying units in each particular jump. Okay, let us see how to multiply a negative integer by a positive integer. In the last video we have seen 3 multiplied by minus 4 and the result of this multiplication was 12, right? So this is what we've seen, multiplying a positive integer by a negative integer. In this example, let us see how to multiply minus 3 by 4, okay? And we will see a result of this multiplication. Let us start with multiplying two positive integers. We know that 4 multiplied by 4 is 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4. 4 added 4 times, which is equal to 16, right? Now I will reduce number of jumps by 1. So instead of 4, I will write 3. 3 multiplied by 4 is equal to 3 times 4. We are going to add 4 3 times because we are taking 3 jumps. So this is going to be 4 plus 4 plus 4. This is nothing but 16 minus 4. And here 4, we are reduced one particular jump. That's why we are subtracting 4 from 16. And the result of this subtraction is 12, right? So 3 multiplied by 4 is 12. Now let us reduce one more jump and we have 2 multiplied by 4. This is equal to 4 plus 4 and this is going to be this 12 minus 4, which is 8. Now we further reduce number of jumps, that is 1 multiplied by 4 is equal to only 4, and this is going to be this 8 minus 4, this is 4, right? This is how we are getting 1 multiplied by 4 is equal to 4, right? Now if we reduce number of jumps even further, say we do not take any jump, that is 0 multiplied by 4, this is going to be, we are not taking any jump, so the result of this multiplication is going to be 0. And how we write it? This 4 minus 4, this is nothing but 0. Okay, you saw how the multiplication works. Now I will reduce 0 even further. I'll go to next slide. So we have seen so far 0 multiplied by 4 is equal to 0, and how we arrived it? We did 4 minus 4, right? And the result of this multiplication was 0. 0 multiplied by 4 is equal to 0. Now I will reduce number of jumps by one more unit, and this time this is minus 1 multiplied by 4. This is going to be equal to this 0 minus 4, because we are subtracting 4 whenever we are reducing number of jumps. Here we have reduced one jump, so I am reducing minus 4. So 0 minus 4 is nothing but minus 4. Okay, now let us reduce one more jump. This time we have minus 2 multiplied by 4 equal to this minus 4 minus 4, right? So I will write minus in a bracket so that we know that this minus is sign and this minus is subtraction. So minus 4 is equal to minus 8. Okay, and one more time I will reduce number of jumps by one unit, and this time we have this minus 8 and we are subtracting 4 from 8. So minus 8 minus 4 is equal to minus 12. So the result of minus 3 multiplied by 4 is equal to minus 12, right? I will keep minus 12 in bracket, and this is what we were trying to solve it, right? Negative integer minus 3 is a negative integer multiplied by a positive integer. 4 is a positive integer, and result of this multiplication is a negative integer, right? And in our earlier example, we had seen that 3 multiplied by minus 4 is equal to minus 12, right? Here also we got minus 12, and here also we are getting minus 12, right? So can we say that 3 multiplied by minus 4 is equal to minus 3 multiplied by 4, and this is equal to minus 12, okay? Or if we want to normalize it, then let us say we have two positive integers a and b. A and b both are positive integers. Okay, so we can say that when we have two positive integers a and b, then a multiplied by minus b is same as minus a multiplied by b, and which is minus ab, right? Hope this is clear to you. So let us take a few more examples. Say 2 multiplied by minus 5 is equal to, we only need to multiply both the integers. 2 multiplied by 5 is 10, and the result will have a negative sign, that is minus 10, okay? Because we have seen positive multiplied by negative will have a negative sign, okay? Let us multiply minus 2 by 5. In this case also we will multiply only the integers, that is 10, and sign of the multiplication is going to be negative integer, right? Say for example we are multiplying 3 and 7. So in this case it's very straightforward. We are multiplying two positive integers, so the result is going to be a positive integer. 3 multiplied by 7 is 21, right? Let us say we are multiplying 3 multiplied by minus 8 is equal to 24, and the sign is going to be minus, that is minus 24. This is positive multiplied by negative example. Now let us multiply 7 minus 7 multiplied by say 5 is equal to minus 35. This is the last example, a negative integer multiplied by a positive integer, and the result is negative integer, right? So we have multiplied both the numbers, both the integers, and we added a minus sign to the result, and that's how it works, right? Hope this is clear to you. Please take more examples and see how multiplication works. So in my next video, I will explain how multiplying two negative integers result in a positive integer. Okay? Thank you for watching.